Los Angeles is a city of many, many peoples of different origin. And many of us here speak Spanish as our primary language, but I'm about to speak in a language that I know that the owners of that car wash understand well, because I spoke to them in that language, the language of Hebrew. It's audacity to think that in a nation filled with immigrants, that an immigrant can be anti their own workers that come to work here from all over the world and are here to make their profits. Why can't they understand? So with that audacity, I read this prayer in Hebrew. First in Hebrew and then in English. Eloheinu ve'Elohei avotenu ve'imotenu, chazkenu k'nechazak kol shemitnoded bishvil tzedek, derech eretz, ahavat oniyim ve'ahavat gerim. Ten b'libeinu uvelevav kol haoskim b'masa u'matan, regishut shel rachamim, din, chesed, v'tzedek, Kamo shekatuv b'mikra hakodesh, tzedek tzedek tirdo, ukamo shekatuv v'ahavta l'reacha kamocha, hashta b'agalav izman kariv ve'imru amen. Our God and God of our ancestors from all over, strengthen us as we strengthen those who struggle for justice, decency, love of the poor, and love of the stranger. Put within our hearts and the hearts of even the business community feelings of compassion, law and order, kindness, and justice. As it is written in your holy writ, justice, justice shall you pursue. And it is written, love your neighbor as yourself. Now, in our lifetime, immediately, and we say, Amen.
Amen.
Thank you for bringing this struggle to the Los Angeles community in a larger sense, and to see the power of our community coming together to bring justice into the world. Thank you.
La voz también es un arma, la voz también es un arma, la voz también es un arma, la voz también es un arma. Si lo dice lo que piensas, si lo dice lo que sientes, si lo dice lo que piensas, si lo dice lo que sientes, nadie te va a escuchar, nadie te va a escuchar.
Well, I'm Judy Chu, and I've been a member of Congress for 1 month. And just in time, because I was able to come here to speak out as strongly as I can for justice for car wash workers. You know, now I'm in Congress, but I'll never forget when I was in the hearings for AB 1688. This was when I was in the Assembly. And this was the car wash worker law. This was the law to increase enforcement against those car wash workers who are blatantly exploited. It's for the workers who are blatantly exploited by the car washes, who just fail to pay attention to even the most minimal laws, who violate the labor laws without any kind of discretion. And so I heard about the struggles of car wash workers who did not even get minimum wage, who did not even get time off, who even worked just for tips. They are amongst the most exploited in our society, and they deserve our support. Well, that law was finally passed and finally started to take effect. And just recently, an LA car wash worker received over $60,000 in owed wages by a fund created by that law. But still, the situation in LA is terrible. And a recent investigation found that 2/3 of car washes inspected in the last 5 years were found to be in violation of labor laws. Can you imagine that? 2/3 of them. Now, this car wash worker law is set to expire if it's not reauthorized by the legislature. So I am calling on California legislators to reauthorize and fully enforce the car wash worker law. And now that I'm in Washington, D.C., I will work with our great Secretary of Labor, Hilda Solis, to ensure that our federal government renews its commitment to car wash workers and all workers. And I will go back and work hard to make sure that everybody can get the union that they desire through the Employee Free Choice Act. So are we going to get justice for car wash workers? I didn't hear you. Are we going to get justice for car wash workers? Thank you all very much.
Thank you, Congressman Chu. And now, the newest member of the LA City Council, a former member of the Assembly and a great supporter of the Jewish Labor Committee, Paul Koretz.
Well, I've also been on the LA City Council for about a month. But one thing I've learned in that month is the LA City Council supports this car wash campaign 100%. Before I got there, they'd already passed a resolution in support. But I can tell you, we know we have to toughen up on enforcement in a lot of areas in terms of employers doing the wrong thing. Right now, particularly in this industry, there are people exposed to a lot of toxic chemicals. There are people who aren't paid minimum wage, who aren't paid overtime, and in some cases aren't even paid their wages at all. And we are not going to let this happen on our watch in the city of Los Angeles. I know we're looking at stronger ordinances to see if we can crack down on this kind of thing. There are all kinds of industries, the garment industry, the car wash industry, the janitorial industry. There are so many violations, it's so egregious, and we are not going to let it happen. So let's work together, let's win this campaign, and let's make everything better for workers in the city of Los Angeles. Thank you.
We'll be back! 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 Thank you, everyone, especially to the workers who came out here today. We